beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Excuse me looking like a mess, but anyhow, so today I'm gonna be trying the Brazilian Botox Expert. So this is actually, it's almost similar to keratin. So this is actually with a unique technology formula combining collagen, marine and glutamic acid with the power of prunus oil. Brazilian Botox Expert was developed to recover the extremely damaged hair by daily aggressions, promoting deep hydration and smoothing effects, keeping the hair aligned, nourished, strong, healthy and frizz-free. So generally with me, I have to call it suffer from my hair is hella frizzy, and where I live it doesn't really helps, it being that I'm in between a 4B 4C's my hair natural texture. But even if I flat iron my hair, I still get frizzy within 30 minutes of me flat blow drying and flat iron. So therefore leave outs never do serve me pretty long. So this claims to hold up to, I think it's like a month to 2 months before doing a reapplication of it. So I'm going to be trying it today on my hair and sharing it on camera with you guys for a first impression. So I did do my hair like this. I wasn't going to do my whole entire hair trying this out because technically I only wear protective styles. So I only section out just this leave out section here, and that is what I'm going to be working with today. And the packaging is hella cute. I did purchase this off Amazon and it was like I think it was like $50. And they did send me another cream, but that one said another treatment I should say, but that one is for blonde hair, like a blonde hair treatment. So I am going to be keeping that for my blonde wigs. But you can see it's brand new. It's my first time opening the package. And I'm just going to do a test smell because some of the reviews on Amazon was saying that it did have a very strong smell. So it's closed. Let's see. Oh, it actually smells like bubblegum. Ooh, ooh, it's kind of strong though. Ooh, ooh. That one just hit my nose, but it does smell like bubblegum. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be applying this to my hair, and it said that I should leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes. So I'm gonna do that process with you guys, and then from there we'll see how this hair turns out. So I'm gonna be applying the product, leaving it on for the 40 minutes, wash it out, blow dry the hair and flat iron the hair, and then walk around for the next whatever time after doing all that application and just see if it starts to frizz or not. If it doesn't, a win for me. If it does not, I'll be pet peeve. Anyhow, enough of me chatting. Let's get to start things off. I'm using a gloves because it is chemical based. You should always use a protective gloves, guys, just to protect your hands from any chemical harm. So let's see, I need to get my shower cap. Ugh. So I'm gonna remove the excess package off the cap here so we ain't wasting our money. I did go ahead and wash the product out. One thing I can say is that it was a bit tingly, almost like you're getting a perm, but it wasn't overly excessive. So I'm going to be using my Revlon hand blow dryer brush system just to detangle the hair and brush it out. So I went off camera, did a little bit of baby hairs. So far I'm really impressed. I am really impressed. Look at how straight my hair is. Normally when I flat iron my hair, like, you could already see the frizz coming up before I've used this product, but now I'm not seeing anything. Just let me come closer. Look at that, guys. I don't know if my baby hairs are laid correctly, but whatever. But yeah, look at that. I am so impressed. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm not gonna toot the horn like 100% yet. I'm gonna be waiting the 40 minutes just to see how it's gonna react. Yes, I'm waiting 40 more minutes just to see, and if not, then this is a winner. It says to apply the product every 4 weeks, so I will be using this like for all my 4C girls. Listen, get on this. But I am loving it. I am loving it. So far I'm loving it. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna be waiting. If you're wondering who this unit is from, this unit is from Love Me Hair. Purchased it like ages ago, and I even highlighted it. So yeah, but guys, this is a winner. I might just do the half, like I'll wait the 1 month. No, I can't wait because I have a hair appointment to get a weave sewing. I might even cancel that. But yeah, anyhow, I'm loving this. I am retrospectively loving this. Okay, so we're gonna wait the 40 minutes, as I said, and see what happens. Gonna go around the house, move about, do stuff, and